This is my 1983 Kawasaki Spectre 1100D. It's a wonderful bike. Just finished a full restore on it, and she purrs like a kitten and flies. Very nice bike, smooth ride. Everything works. Everything's original with the exception of a few items, but all minor. So the only thing I added is when I bought the bike, somebody drilled out the baffles. So I cut the pipes off of another Kawasaki sport bike and inserted the baffles in and secured them with a set screw. So they made it nice and quiet, back to the original sound. Plus it runs great with the needed back pressure. So again, this is the 1983 Spectre 1100. It's a classic air-cooled dual front disc, single rear disc. Interesting about it, in the 83, it has both front and rear shocks, air shocks. So both, you can see the air valve coming up underneath the seat. And there's also a filler on the top of the left fork, which equalizes the air in the forks. They all hold air nice, and again, everything works. The only modification I really did is I put LED lights so people can see you at night, because this guy is pretty dark with the factory lights, not much reflectors on it. So let's turn it on and see what we got. 32,000 miles. As you see, super hard to start. Ha! Runs great. And it's got that unique push the button and you can measure the voltage. So it's a dual function speedometer, and even the four-way flashers work. So the horn, and of course the kill switch. Everything on the bike runs great. So I definitely love it. I get so many compliments. It's got the original seat from '83, which is in wonderful shape. And my wife filled in the Kawasaki letters that were worn off with some nice leather paint. And I even found an original taillight and an original factory grab bar. That is the most difficult, for sure, part to buy or find when you're restoring one of these guys, especially for the 1100. Because the 750 ones don't fit. It's a little bit different setup. But black carburetors, gold engine. Really tough to mask that off and get a nice coat of paint on it. And believe it or not, my brake fluid is that clear. I just bled it yesterday, so it has brand new hydraulic fluid in it. And I just got back from a 10-mile ride, and she ran fantastic. So I'll include some of the ride so you can check it out. So just want to show it off a little bit. And again, it's the Spectre. And of course, I love the name Spectre because I was an aerial gunner on the AC-130 Spectre gunship. So it's definitely an honor to own the Kawasaki Spectre. They only made this a year and a half. And again, it's the very end and the largest of the air-cooled models from Kawasaki. It's 108 horsepower, 143 mile per hour. And those are factory 4 and 2 headers. They came like that from the factory. So it's definitely a unique bike, and you sure don't see many of them out there. So just want to share it with everybody. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Here's the instrument panel. I changed the stock LEDs or stock bulbs and swapped them out with LEDs.